Installing the TrackPro Weight Distribution Hitch from Blue Ox. Park the tow vehicle and trailer in a straight line on firm, level ground. Next, insert the hitch mount receiver shank into the tow vehicle receiver and secure with the 5/8 by 3-inch pin and clip. Level the trailer and measure the coupler height. Install the hitch head onto the receiver shank using the 3/4 inch bolts, the 3/4 inch lock washers, and the 3/4 inch hex nuts. Measure the hitch head ball height. The ball height needs to be the same or 1 inch higher than the trailer coupler height and adjust as necessary. Torque the 3/4 inch bolts to 250 foot-pounds. Measure 20 to 25 inches back from the center of the ball coupler and mark this point on the trailer tongue frame on both sides. Center the L-bracket mounting holes on the backing plate over the marked area so that the offset is towards the front of the trailer on each side. The end of the spring bar should be a minimum of 4 inches from the center of the L-bracket backing plate to the open end of the bar. After verifying that the L-brackets are 20 to 25 inches from the center of the coupler, fully tighten the 1/2-inch hex head bolts against the trailer tongue framework. Next, install the L-brackets onto the backing plate by inserting the 2 1/2-inch whiz flange bolts, leaving the top hole open on the L-bracket. Apply blue Loctite to the threads and torque the bolts to 78 foot-pounds. Then, couple the trailer to the hitch head by placing the trailer coupler onto the hitch ball per the manufacturer's instructions. Insert the spring bars into the pivoting trunnion so that the lines indicating the spring bar size are facing upward. Then, insert locking pins. Support the trailer tongue weight with the trailer jack to allow for an easier hookup. Place spring bar into dip on lift tool. Then, place hook end into the square hole of the L-bracket. Raise the lift tool upward until spring bar securely snaps into place. Place bar locking pin into square hole on the L-bracket and secure with the hairpin. Do this on both sides of the trailer. Lower the tongue jack, plug in the electrical cable, and attach the safety chains, remembering to cross them. Find the Blue Ox TrackPro at your local Blue Ox dealer.